Food for Thought, a food science video on carbonation. Carbonation in beverage production. Do you know what carbonation means? Does it make you think about something bubbly or fizzy, or about something refreshing? Can you think of some carbonated beverages? How about carbonated water? Carbonation in beverages is when carbon dioxide gas is added. Do you know why carbon dioxide has been added to beverages? When carbon dioxide is added to a beverage, it creates sparkle and a tangy taste. When carbon dioxide is added to a beverage, it also prevents spoilage. During carbonation, the liquid's chilled and cascades down an enclosure that contains carbon dioxide under pressure. Also during carbonation, increased pressure and lowered temperatures maximizes the gas absorption. Carbonated beverages do not require pasteurization. Here's a fun fact. Carbonated beverages and waters were developed from European attempts in the 17th century to imitate popular and naturally effervescent waters of famous springs, with a primary interest in their reputed therapeutic values. Now, let's watch a fun video on carbonation.
Greetings, Science Maximites. Today we're using fizzy drinks in our experiments. And a fizzy drink is just water with bubbles of carbon dioxide gas dissolved in it. So I thought since we exhale carbon dioxide, I could make a fizzy drink by just blowing bubbles in this water. Doesn't seem to be working though, does it? I don't see any bubbles, do you? No. Water does absorb carbon dioxide gas, but I don't have a fizzy drink. Weird. Time to check the book of science. Oh, in order to make bubbles, you have to have pressure. So... this is an air compressor. It takes air and compresses it, puts it under pressure. So... the container needs to be pressurized. Okay. When you get a container of a fizzy drink, the carbon dioxide gas is put in there under pressure, and it stays in there under pressure until you release it. That's the sound of the pressure being released. And when it is released, the carbon dioxide gas starts to expand. And when it expands, it creates bubbles. And that's what makes your fizzy drink. This process takes a while to run out, but eventually it will become flat. No more bubbles. But what if there was a way to release all of that carbonation all in one go? Well, there is. And for this experiment, all you need is your favorite brand of fizzy drink, Science Max brand Diet Science Cola, 100% science, 0 calories. And your favorite candy, like these Science Experiments. All the minty flavor that comes from pure science. So, all you need to do is open this up, take one of these, and put it in here with an adult's permission because it can get kind of messy. Whoa! What's going on here is all of the carbonation that was in the bottle is now being released much more rapidly than it would have been before. Now, why does this happen? Well, if you look at a carbonated beverage, you'll see that the bubbles don't come from everywhere. They come from the inside of the glass, or in this case, a lot are coming from the straw. And that's because the carbon dioxide bubbles like to find a little imperfection, something to hold on to in order to expand and bubble out. And a candy, such as this, has a ton of little tiny microscopic imperfections. So when you drop it in, there's a lot more places for the bubbles to attach, and that makes the carbonation happen a lot quicker. But remember, this is not a chemical reaction. It all has to do with carbonation.
So now the question is carbonation good for you or bad for you? According to research done at the University of Chicago Medicine, carbonated water can be a healthy alternative to sodas, sports drinks, and juices. Studies suggest that carbonated water can actually improve digestion and relieve constipation. Studies also suggest that carbonated water helps individuals with swallowing difficulties. More studies suggest that carbonated water can help people lose weight and quit their soda addiction. But remember, not all carbonated beverages are created equal. Some contain added sugars and artificial sweeteners. This can be bad for our overall health and harmful to our teeth. For some, carbonated beverages may cause gas and bloating. So it's best not to use a drinking straw when you drink carbonated beverages. Just be sure to read the labels, make good choices, and enjoy. My name is Sheila King, CSS Dietetic Intern. With any questions, comments, or suggestions, please email us. Thanks for watching.